Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix sound not working in Soulmask on the beach on PC. Follow these solutions step by step and your audio should start working again. Let's get started. Solution 1. First, open the Start menu and type Control Panel. Open Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Sound. Make sure your speakers or headphones are set as default. Just select your device and click on Set Default. Solution 2. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Levels tab. Make sure your volume is not set to the lowest level. Solution 3. Open the Advanced tab. Set the bitrate to 48 kHz or 44.1 kHz. Uncheck Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 4. Go to the Spatial Sound tab. Set it to Off. Click Apply, then OK. Solution 5. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Audio Inputs and Outputs. Right-click your audio device and select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Solution 6. Go back and click on Browse my computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Choose your audio driver. Click Next and wait for installation. Now restart your PC. Solution 7. Open Device Manager again. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the update to complete. Solution 8. Open the Start menu and type NVIDIA app. Open it. Go to the Drivers tab. Click on Check for updates. If there's an update available, download and install it. Now launch Soulmask on the beach and check if the sound is working. After following these steps, your audio should be fixed. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.